Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Having trouble with your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender? Sometimes a reset is all you need to fix connectivity issues. In this video, we'll show you how to reset your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender and set it up again using the WPS method. Let's get started. A reset is often necessary to resolve connectivity problems, slow speeds, or setup errors. It restores the device to factory settings, eliminating glitches and ensuring a fresh start for a stable and efficient connection. Begin by inserting your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender into a nearby power outlet. Allow a few moments for the device to power up. Wait until the power LED indicator turns solid, signaling that the extender is fully operational and ready for setup. Now, find the reset button on your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender. It is typically a small pinhole labeled reset, located either on the side or bottom of the device. You may need a paperclip or pin to access it properly. Take a paperclip or pin and carefully press and hold the reset button on your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the LED lights start blinking, indicating that the extender is undergoing a factory reset process. Release the button and wait for the extender to reboot. This process may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once complete, the extender will return to its factory default settings. Now, let's set it up again using WPS. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 3 to 5 seconds, then press and hold the WPS button on the extender for about 5 seconds. Wait until the WPS LED turns solid, confirming a successful connection. Finally, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it in and wait for the connection LED to turn solid. If the light is blinking or red, move it closer to the router. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll be happy to assist you. And that's it. Your Trenzu WR series Wi-Fi extender has been successfully reset and reconfigured. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next one.